this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable or turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars. Once you are in settings and activity page, different sections will appear. Under how you use Instagram, you're going to find the option of time management. Click on that. Now click on the option sleep mode. From here, you are able to enable it. All you have to do is toggle on for the option sleep mode. Now click on the start time, then set it. Likewise, choose the end time, then choose the days. After you are done with this customization thing, you can click on save. With this, we have just enabled sleep mode on Instagram. Once enabled, Instagram sleep mode will help you manage your time and encourage healthier app usage by reminding you to step away during your selected hours. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.